Hi, I'm Craig Klein with Fisher's Kennels and Hunt Club. Today I want to talk to you about a neat tool for the upland hunter. Right here we got the PL launcher from Dogtra paired with the RR Deluxe remote release. What this tool enables you to do is control a live bird when you're training your dogs. You can put a pigeon, pheasant, whatever you want in here, and we can control the exact time that bird comes out. There's no replacement for using live birds in dog training. Every gun dog worth his salt needs to have live birds shot over them and trained with them. The way we use the launcher is we'll place it out in the cover, and we're going to get our dog, whether it be a pointer or a flusher, and we're going to work the dog downwind of the planted bird here. When the dog goes on point or gets close enough in the flushing situation where we want to release the bird for a flush, all we have to do is hit a button and that bird's going to come up just beautiful, about 10-15 feet in the air, and hopefully fly off. So if you're an upland hunter and you're looking for a new piece of equipment, the PL launcher will help you create a top-notch upland dog. I'm Craig Klein, and we'll see you in the field.